These are the beautiful birds of Consilia's Pond, which is located in Brookville Park, Queens, New York. I have been sitting here for more than 2 hours watching the beautiful waterfalls. The ones I'm admiring the most are the cygnets. Those are the baby swans. Their dusty brown color will not be there for long. As the older they get, their natural white color will eventually cover their whole bodies. This Canadian goose seems really itchy, but it is surely scratching that itch. There are quite a few waterfalls here today. I am not sure if they are at this location at all times, as the pond is a rather long pond, but today I'm seeing mallards, Canadian geese, swans, cygnets, and some other birds that I really cannot identify. So peaceful, so serene. Today I'm just going to sit here and enjoy nature with these beautiful waterfalls.